Welcome back. In this continuation video, we will be picking up where we left off in the last video and diving deeper into the topic at hand. 4. A detailed Bitcoin arbitrage calculator. A Bitcoin arbitrage calculator is a tool that helps you calculate the profit potential of making trades on different exchanges. It compares the prices of Bitcoin on multiple exchanges and calculates the difference, allowing you to quickly identify opportunities for arbitrage. Now that you know what you will face in a real-life Bitcoin arbitrage trade, let's take an example that includes all of the different variants and fees involved. Relevant fees include fiat deposit fees, fiat withdrawal fees, Bitcoin deposit fees, Bitcoin withdrawal fees, transaction fees, i.e. trading fees. Here's an example of how a Bitcoin arbitrage calculator might work. 1. The user inputs the amount of Bitcoin they wish to buy on one exchange. 2. The calculator uses the current bid and ask prices on that exchange to calculate the total cost of the purchase. 3. The user then inputs the name of a different exchange where they wish to sell the Bitcoin. 4. The calculator uses the current bid and ask prices on that exchange to calculate the potential selling price. 5. The calculator then subtracts the purchase cost from the selling price to calculate the potential profit. 6. Additional information such as transfer fee, withdrawal fee and the time for the transfer to happen is added to the calculator to get a more accurate profit calculations. Please note that in practice the actual price of Bitcoin may fluctuate over the time that it takes to complete a trade, and there can also be other costs associated with trading, such as exchange fees, so the results obtained by the calculator should be considered as an estimate rather than a guarantee of profit. Additionally, many factors can affect the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, so the calculator should be used as a guide and not as a definitive answer. 5. Frequently asked questions. Is arbitrage illegal? Arbitrage itself is not illegal. It is a legal and legitimate trading strategy that involves taking advantage of price differences in different markets or exchanges. However, it can be illegal if the arbitrage is done through insider trading or through manipulating prices in some way. Insider trading is a violation of securities laws that prohibit people from using material, non-public information to trade stocks or other securities. Similarly, manipulating prices through spreading false or misleading information, or through wash trading, trading with oneself, or other methods, is illegal and prohibited by securities laws. Additionally, depending on the jurisdiction, some forms of arbitrage such as insider trading, market manipulation are illegal and some specific laws are in place to prevent such activities. Also, depending on the assets or the jurisdiction, there could be some specific regulations that are in place which could affect the ability to perform arbitrage on that assets. Therefore, it's essential to be aware of the laws and regulations in the jurisdiction you are trading in, and to make sure that you are operating within them before attempting to engage in any form of arbitrage trading. 6. Conclusion. Should you try to arbitrage? The act of arbitraging Bitcoin is not as simple as it may seem at first glance. Overall, Bitcoin arbitrage may be an opportunity to make some passive income, but at the same time it involves huge risks. Arbitrage is actually a positive process, unlike speculation, margin trading and other activities that can be viewed as market manipulation, and in some cases may even be truly harmful to the market as a whole. Bitcoin should have the same price across all exchanges. Arbitrage simply helps bring the exchanges together onto the same page. As Bitcoin's market grows, the gap between exchanges will narrow, as more and more people will conduct arbitrage. As for the how, nowadays almost all exchanges have an API which can become a useful arbitrage tool. Utilizing these APIs will allows you to create a custom arbitrage bot, so that you don't have to sit in front of the computer all day. Still, even attempting to arbitrage manually can be very beneficial, as long as you watch closely and make sure you are placing simultaneous trades. Here are a few things to consider before trying to arbitrage. 1. Knowledge. To perform crypto arbitrage, you will need to have knowledge about different order types, different fees and how they can affect the price of a coin or token. Be aware of the crypto market, and any other regulations that might be in place. 2. Volatility. The cryptocurrency market is extremely volatile and prices can fluctuate rapidly. This makes it difficult to predict when and where arbitrage opportunities will arise, and also makes it difficult to time trades effectively. 3. Liquidity. Some cryptocurrency pairs might be less liquid than others, which makes it harder to complete trades at the prices you want. This could decrease your profit or increase the time needed to execute the trade. 4. Costs. There are costs associated with trading on different exchanges, such as transfer fees and withdrawal fees. These can eat into your profits and make arbitrage less profitable. 5. Risk. Arbitrage trading involves buying and selling assets, so there's always the risk of price changes. If the price moves against you, you may end up losing money instead of making a profit. If you do decide to try arbitrage, it is recommended to start small and paper trade or test it with small amounts of money, to get a better understanding of the process and see if it's something you're comfortable with. Additionally, you should also make sure that you are aware of the laws and regulations in your jurisdiction, and that you are operating within them. If you've had any experience with Bitcoin arbitrage, I'd love to hear about it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Have a great day.